Okay, so there is this really beautiful woodpecker on that tree. Black and white body with a bright red head with a white stripe like a crown on it, and it was on the trunk, and then it disappeared to the other side of the tree, and I thought I had it in my sights so that I could show you on the camera, but it's on the other side of the tree. Maybe it'll come around. I'm just trying to record it if it comes around again. It's so beautiful. I don't know if it's gonna come around on this side again. Come on, woodpecker. I think I missed it. I didn't really want to stand up, but when I zoomed in so you could see it, like I couldn't see it anymore. My little wall and this bar was blocking it, so I had to stand up, and then by the time I switched the camera view and pressed record, it was already out of sight. Sorry, guys. It might come around again. Oh, I'm a little tired. I was just thinking I need a nap. I haven't really been able to sleep very well. Okay, I don't think that woodpecker's gonna come back around on this side. I don't think it's gonna come back over here. So, aha, that's interesting. So my friend came over and brought me tomato bisque soup and a grilled cheese sandwich. I ate half of it and I'm saving the other half for later so I can take my antibiotic. But he also took out my trash because like it was going to be way too difficult for me to do it. And so he was nice and he did that for me. But this was so yummy. It is good. Oh, I don't know what I think that might be enough dishes to put in the dishwasher to wash, but I have to put the dishes that are in the dishwasher away in the cabinets before I put the dirty dishes in the dishwasher. I have a hair tickling me. Oh, and he was nice enough to brush my hair for me. That was cool. Now I have no tangles. Didn't take very long. But he didn't stay very long either. We just ate and talked a little bit. And then he took out my trash and went home. I'm really tired now. I'm glad I got out for a walk. I got some sun and some fresh air. I think I'm just tired. I'm not really don't really have much to say. I got on here to show you the woodpecker, but that didn't happen. I didn't really have anything to say. So I'm going to go and I'll talk to you when I have something else to say or something else to show you.